A common question with a welcome series is, when should I send each email? While there's no hard and fast rule, I direct you back to the topic of intent. If the goal is to guide the customer to purchase, which is their implied intent, wouldn't it make sense to do that without delay? Here's my advice. Send message 1 immediately. This is especially important if you offer a discount for signing up. Then send each subsequent message 1 day apart. Once you start sending, you can monitor your email metrics and see if you need to build a 1-day buffer. Ultimately, looking at your unsubscribe rates will give you an educated answer. While it might be reasonable to expect slightly higher unsubscribe rates for a welcome series, as customers may sign up just to receive a discount or exploring your brand, a sharp and drastic increase will be your telltale sign that you may need to build an off day in between your messages. But I don't think you will. Now, all you need to do is start sending your welcome series. How to do this will vary based on your email marketing tool, but if you're using the right one, it can take as little as 5 minutes to set up. Regardless of a tool, remember, your trigger for setting this series will be when a new subscriber is added to your list. And that's it. As you can see, creating a sales-driven welcome series doesn't have to be complicated. Once you start sending, you'll see your sales increasing, and then you can worry about optimizing it further. So your steps to create your welcome series are: write down your value adds and competitive differentiators. Next, think about your customer's intent, and then combine these two things in your messages. Remember, your messages don't have to be overly complex. In fact, the more simple and direct they are, the better off they may be. Next, set up the automation in your email marketing platform. This can take as little as 5 minutes if you're using the right tool. Once it starts sending, see how it's performing and record your metrics. These are your new baselines. Last, optimize your messages and improve your baselines. Let's talk about this.